Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Intuit. First, you'll want to set up your company profile, including your business name and contact information. Then, create your chart of accounts to categorize income and expenses effectively. Don't forget to connect your bank and credit card accounts for seamless transaction imports. Finally, customize your settings to ensure QuickBooks works perfectly for your unique business operations. This initial setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Once set up, recording transactions is key. Easily enter income and expenses, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. QuickBooks helps you create and send professional invoices, making billing simple and efficient. You can also track customer payments and manage your accounts receivable, so you always know who owes you money. This keeps your cash flow clear and organized. QuickBooks offers powerful reporting tools. Generate essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, to understand your business's health. If you have employees, manage payroll directly within the software, ensuring accurate tax calculations and timely payments. Remember to reconcile your bank accounts monthly to catch any discrepancies and maintain precise records. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks offers advanced features like inventory management, helping you track products and their costs. You can also manage projects and job costing, ensuring profitability on every job. For more tips and to explore other great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. QuickBooks truly scales with your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.